How to fix Cash App bank declined payments. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix Cash App's declined payments from banks, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes what happens is that you could actually be using Cash App on your device. Maybe you're trying to add money to your account, or maybe you're trying to withdraw money from your Cash App to your bank account and it just says payment decline. Why is this happening? This happens due to many reasons. The first is just make sure that your proper bank account is actually linked. To check so, just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then you want to simply go to linked banks. Just make sure to link your debit card. If you don't have debit card, you can tap on the no card option, then you can link your bank account from this specific page. It could also be due to insufficient balance, and just make sure that you have enough balance on your Cash App account as well. If none of the solutions help, the only thing I can recommend you do is to simply contact the customer care. And to do this, you just have to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right, you just want to scroll all the way down where you'll find this option known as support. You want to make sure to just tap the support option. It'll ask you for a confirmation, so just tap the chat option. Over here you want to simply let them know that you're not being able to make payments from your bank through your Cash App or vice versa, and they should be able to help you with it. Hope this video helped you understand a question. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.